Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Merit. Today we're getting started with a brand new concept, which is concept number 2, using graphs to relate to quantities. Okay, so make sure you have your pencil and paper ready to take notes, and let's get started. Alright then, let's get started. Now we're going to start off with a table that's going to measure two different quantities, and for the sake of this example, we're going to be using the quantities of time and distance. Okay? So let's do this. Time and distance. So let's say one day I went to the park. And this day I had absolutely nothing to do. In the first hour that I was at the park, I decided to walk a little because, quarantine puts on some weight. I decided to walk a little, and I walked 2 miles. The second hour I was there, I continued walking. So I walked a total of 4 miles. The third hour I was there, I walked a total of 6 miles. And because who doesn't spend 4 hours at a park? The fourth hour I was there, I had walked a total of 8 miles. And I wish it were true because then it would help me have lost weight. But anyways, nonetheless, this is our table where we are comparing time and distance. Now, like our concept states, we're going to be now graphing this table. So to graph it, we're just going to be graphing it like this. This way, we're going to have distance. We're going to put D for distance. And this way, we're going to be having time. So T for time. Now, for time, we used 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's graph where our points would be for distance. In the first hour, I walked 2 miles. In the second hour, I walked 4 miles. In the third hour, I walked 6. And in the fourth hour, I walked 8. And that is how we compare time and distance using a graph. Very well, you guys. Now for your assignment today, I want you to use this graph. This table I just wrote down for you guys to graph, okay? So following the same steps I just took, go ahead and graph this table where you are comparing, again, time and distance, okay? I got a little bit more athletic this time that I went to the park. I stayed there for 5 hours because who doesn't stay at the park for 5 hours? And I walked a little faster, so I got more miles in. Make sure you graph my progress, and if you have any questions or something didn't seem clear, please do not hesitate and ask for help. That's what I'm here for. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful day. Goodbye.